going on, guys? Welcome back. It's your boy Coyote 5. So we out here dropping clutch in this I don't know if it's a 20 or 2021 Mustang GT manual. Got the D4 manual transmission in it. We're installing the McLeod RXT clutch in it. And you already know, I had a car at the shop car, you know, not no race car, street car. But just taking a small little break, and definitely the clutch is burnt up in this one. So I'm gonna get my boy right. Got to my boy, and get this thing back up and running. Once we get the clutch out, I'll give y'all a little bit of look at what the clutch look like, and then we'll go ahead, get this one installed, torque down, and get the transmission back in there. And hey, it's a pain in the butt when the car is still stock in stock form. You know what I mean by that? It ain't like mine. BMR motor mounts, brackets, headers. Woo! See your boy sweating a little bit. Yeah, I was working. But yeah, y'all, keep watching and get this one on, get the other one on, and then I'll show y'all. Alright, we got the old clutch out. That's it right there. It's got a disc right here, and then another disc inside there, as y'all can see. So I'm pretty sure that's the one that's failed, because I got other type of parts inside the transmission belt housing. So look down there where it's got pool, all that material, got all over me. So but yeah, we're gonna get the slave cylinder installed in the trans, which is in this box right here. My brother already installed the spark plugs. He need 2 more. I finished doing. We gotta do the oil change. Then we're gonna install this. Yeah. So y'all guys, stay tuned, keep watching, and we'll be back. All right, guys. So as you know, we're back in the shop. So we got a few things we need to do. We need to put the exhaust on and the drive shaft, bleed the clutch, and do the oil change, and then go drive it. So right now, I'm just eating me a little bit of breakfast before I start. Then we're gonna jump on this and get this started. So stay tuned. I'll let y'all know in a minute. All right, guys, we got it back up and running. As I can see, it's running back there. Making sure everything good before we put it on the ground. Got the clutch bled, oil change done, spark plugs done. Brother said, too much fun, you're gonna be in trouble. He said, what?
You ain't hear me down there?
Hell nah. I'm over here on the video. Hold on. Let me get my seatbelt on. You know, y'all new Mustang drivers, you know. I don't know how to act sometimes. I get in the Mustang. You already know we gotta go test drive.
It's on the right.
It's on the right. You gotta make sure you test drive. Make sure it's good. See that bit over there look clean. Oh shit. They wanted them.
Yep.
All right, folks. Just like that, we done. On to the next. Right here, it's Kia Forte. Gotta replace the head gasket on it. But we done. So, appreciate you letting us work on your vehicle, sir. And don't forget to recommend. All right, y'all. We already spoke to the owner. We're gonna do some small revs right quick, and then we're gonna do some revs on this one. Yeah, idle right quick. All right. Park it in the garage so it's not so hot when they get in there. That's that. Here's my door.